Hey everyone, it's a new product we got here from Boom Blasters. This is our DIY do-it-yourself electronic horn kit. This thing has got capabilities of doing 10 sounds, all triggers. This is not a wireless horn, it's all triggers. It's pretty simple, straightforward. There's two legs over here for your one speaker. It has dip switches as well right here, so you can change how you want to play the sounds. If you want to go over the same sound or play different sounds each time you hit the button. USB, so you can upload your own sounds, and it helps have volume control here. You probably will need the volume control because this thing is loud. And we had to put the speaker down. It comes with this waterproof speaker. We have to put the speaker down because it's so loud it actually rings your ears. Pretty simple. Positive, power, ground. And then this thing is triggered by, we have a switch hooked up here. And you just trigger it, right? With the button. It comes with the USB cable so you can upload your own sounds. It comes with about 3 foot of wire. Comes with the button. If you want more buttons, you can buy more buttons or switches, however you want. Like I said, this thing has capabilities to do 10 different sounds. So here's another sound. I've got this wired up straight to this one leg right back here, number 9. I think it's number 9 leg. And I'm just going to tap it to a battery. Simple as that. So I just tapped it to the negative side of the battery. This is a negative trigger unit, so you don't have to worry about positive wires or stuff like that to be triggered. It's a ground trigger, so you can ground it anywhere you want to and then run the other side of the switch to one of the legs to play the sounds. Pretty cool little unit, guys. This is our DIY electronic horn kit. It comes complete with the unit here, cable, wiring, instructions, and a button. Okay?